Hello guys, my name is Sadiq Habib and welcome to my channel. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and also hit on the notification bell so as to be able to get notification on my new videos coming up. Actually, I am here to show you how you can use autoclick to make your daily tasks or mental error much easier. It makes it much easier. So without any further ado, please let's jump into it straight up. So the next thing you want to do is go to Play Store and download it. Actually, my own now is going to show me open because I've downloaded it already. But as for you, when you start click assistant, it will show you download and it will install. So once it's done, you click on open. It opens. The next thing you want to do is you give it a permission. So you go to settings. So when you get to settings, this is my own view. So it might be different from the phone you are using. Actually, you click on you look for where where it says click assistant and put it on. So for my, I'll click on this and put it on. Say okay. So as it is like this, I click on set service. So the next thing I want to do is either I upgrade to VIP or I keep on using the free version, which is the version I'm using right now. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click on this cancel. When you click on cancel, it brings you up like this. So what you do next is you press on got it. So you go back to or you go to your MINTER error page. I go to my MINTER error. So this is it. I click on Broadway. So now I can keep getting my orders, or if you this is the beginning if you want to start. So the next thing you want to do is you configure the click assistant to do the task for you. So you will want to click on this icon right now, this icon right below this play icon. So once you do that, it's simply telling you, okay, you can start. So you click on get order. So this is going to be recording your movement as it is. So as it's going, as you are going, it's recording it. Click on confirm. Then I click on continue to receive task. Then I come to the top left corner and click on done. So now it has saved everything just as I want it. So it's for me to click on this play icon right here for me to actually put it to play. So I'll click on it. When I click on it, the next thing I want to do now, click on it. The next thing I want to do now is when you click on it, the next thing I want to do now is to give it this permission to keep playing. What is this? So this is how it works, guys. It has recorded all my movements, so it's left for it to do the task for me. So this is it. This is how it works. This is how it works to finish your 50 tasks or 55 or 60, whichever one you have. We're going to finish up everything for you. And one beautiful thing about this, guys, is you can actually set it to do it for you while you do other things. So once it's done, all you need to do is you go ahead and click on the stop button at the top. And once it's stopped, you click on the X button here. You click on this X button and you click on OK. So that is how it works, guys. It's as simple as that. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and also hit on the notification bell so that you can get useful videos like this to your doorstep. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye. And God bless. Thank you so much.